Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how we can join the Discord server of Lomos. First thing guys, on the left hand side we have add a server option. Simply click on the plus icon over here and then you have an option called as join a server at the bottom. Click on that and then place your link what we have shared over here. Then once you placed it, click on join server option and then you will be added to the server of Lomos. First thing first guys, you'll be able to see the welcome screen over here, and on the left hand side we have a verification option. So we click on that. We'll just verify our presence over here by clicking on this tick mark, and then you'll see the rules option. We'll agree with the rules as well, and then you'll be able to see the get roles option here. So click on the get roles and simply choose the first option. If you're already an ex-student who has taken the course along with Lomos, click on this option, or if you're just joining the Discord community, click on this one. Simply click on this option here and I'll be able to get access to all the channels and all the ideas what we have in Lomos. That's all. Have a great day.